Good day, morning, evening, afternoon. Just wanted to kind of touch base with everybody. I planned on doing a video every month, a 4-part video instruction. The last one I did was just a time lapse because I'm running out of time. And here's what's going on. My plan is my wife and I are buying some property up in northern Arizona, and I intend on building a studio on the property. And in this studio, I will complete my mission of doing a painting a month, but it's going to take me a little bit more than a month to get done. So we plan on closing sometime in January, and obviously up in Flagstaff here, it's going to be very cold and I probably won't be able to get much done in that time frame. So our plan is to, by April, May, have enough done on the property that we can actually be staying there and working on things. And I can get back to painting. As it is right now, I am trying to clean up this mess that I call a studio, which is just one of the bedrooms in the house. And I've taken it and converted it to a studio. But trying to get all my paintings done has been, into storage has been a complete nightmare. Let me show you. So what I've done is I had to go in and take all of my paintings off of, not all of them, most of my paintings off of their stretcher bars and roll them up into big rolls. That's the only way I can figure out how to transport them. But I still have to get all of this packed into boxes and all the nail holes I've put in my walls filled. So I am in a state of chaos right now trying to get this all done. If you would so kindly please bear with me as I attempt to get all this done and get this move in progress. It's exciting for me to be able to focus on what I really want to do. And I'm going to get there one way or the other. So I thank you for watching, and I appreciate any subscriptions. I'll do what I can to update the website and the YouTube channel to get some video content up. Maybe some practice videos or something I can get to if I can find a place to set up outside or whatever. Thanks again. Please subscribe, stay tuned, and a lot more to come.